Hi everyone. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to get Community tab on YouTube in just a few steps. First, open the YouTube app on your mobile. Next, tap on your profile in the bottom right corner. Tap on View Channel. To get access to the Community tab, close the YouTube app and open the Chrome browser. In the search bar, type studio.youtube.com, enable desktop mode on your mobile browser. Once you're there, tap on Settings in the bottom left corner. Tap on Channel. Then tap on Feature Eligibility. Here, you'll see 3 features that need to be enabled. First, standard features. To enable this, you just need to create a YouTube account and verify your email. With this, you can upload videos, create playlists, add collaborators, add videos to playlists. Second, intermediate features. To enable this, you need to verify your phone number. A code will be sent to your number. Enter that code to activate these features. With this, you can upload videos longer than 15 minutes, upload custom thumbnails, get access to live streaming. Third, advanced features. To enable this, you can verify through a short video, upload a valid ID like CNIC passport or any government-issued ID. Or if your channel has a good history, YouTube might upgrade it automatically. With this, you can upload more videos daily, host longer live streams, apply for monetization to start earning money. Once all 3 features are enabled and your channel has 500 subscribers, you'll be given access to the Community tab. And that's it. How to get Community tab on YouTube. If this video helped, like this video, and subscribe to my channel for more quick tech tips. See you in the next video.